Hi, John Ozzie here, Head of Training and Development at AudaCity Capital. Today I'm reviewing the account of John Mark. John Mark has been trading with AudaCity Capital from 26th of May 2021 on to the date of review 14th of July 2021. The total gain for this account is 11.83%. Drawdowns at 2.70% and a monthly gain of 6.99%. This is the journey of John Mark. John Mark has hit $30,000 level 2 with 52 trades. He done it with a total of 309.3 pips, which is very good. The best trade to date is 160.7 pips, and that was for a total of $726.88. Looking at the percentage gain in terms of his effectiveness of his strategy, he's right 31 times out of 52, which represents 60%, and he's lost 21 out of 52, which represents 40% overall. Let's have a look at the monthly gains, and we can see 0% in May, 1.67% in June, and 9.99% in July, the current month that we're trading at. So let's have a look at some of the summary of pairs traded. As we can see, just like every other trader, he's traded quite a few pairs, but I always recommend to our traders stick to 4 pairs at least and focus on the pairs that give you the most liquidity in terms of gain in pips and cash flow in profit. And as we can see from here, the pound yen has been very good to earn John Mark, followed by the Swiss franc yens and the Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar. So I'll stick to these 3 pairs and probably add an additional one, the pound AUD. So if you stick to these 4 pairs, you're going to be more successful and consistent because trading is a skill, trading is a hobby. Trading is all about discipline and consistency, and also having that psychological advantage to help you succeed in the long run. Let's have a look at some of your history of your trades. As you can see, you're trading consistent lot size is 0.5, 0.5, but I always just have one thing and I say to every trader, you're not the first and you won't be the last. Always have a stop loss in place. Having a stop loss in place is always going to protect you from uncertainty. It reduces the drawdown. It prevents you from being in a situation where you have to FOMO, or you're in a situation where you're uncertain, where there's no clarity in the market, you don't know what's going on, or more importantly, a fundamental announcement that you don't are unaware about and it exposes you in terms of risk. So this is all I can recommend. Just have your stop losses in place. Also ask yourself, are you in the right mindset? Are you chasing the market? Is price action present? Entry points, exit points, risk, and are you over leveraging? And also head over to your AudaCity community app to connect with myself and like-minded traders, where you can share information, share value, and also become a better trader. But overall, this is a great attempt. Congratulations, and I wish you all the best going on to $60,000, which is the next level. And I'm very confident you can do this.